This video is going to be about your observations in the practicum class. There's been a little bit of confusion on what you actually need to do. For each observation, you need to observe using the record that the chapter's over, frequency, checklist, anecdotal record, running record, whatever it asks for. There's examples in your textbooks. You've been doing really good on that part. I sent y'all an email out to remind you there's a second part. You have to critique the observation. And in the syllabus it talks about that you need to tell how useful the instrument was. You need to tell me what changes you would make to it, and what you liked or didn't like about using that particular instrument. What changes you would make. Why did you not like using it? Is there what would you change about it? Is there something else that you would like to use other than that? Did you find others that were easier to use, harder to use? Would this be something that would be an appropriate instrument to use in a preschool classroom? Is it age appropriate? Is it not age appropriate? Those are all different things you can think about and talk about in your critique. Your critique needs to be at least half a page in length on how you use the instrument, your thoughts about it, and I don't want to hear the same thoughts on every critique that you turn in. Every critique is different, therefore each critique is going to be individual. I'm giving y'all until Sunday night to go back and add these critiques to your observations you've already completed. So far, the ones that you've completed have been the anecdotal record, the running record, the checklist, and the frequency count. Okay, so that's 4 that you need to go back and add that to. I've had a couple people who have done it correctly. Now you need to make sure you're reading your syllabus. It's on 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's on page 6, 5 or 6, depending on how your printer prints it out. One of my printers printed out was on page 5. Another printer printed out was on page 6. But it's under Observe and Complete, the second paragraph. You have to give that critique or you're not going to get full credit. So I'm extending this for those first 4 assignments that you've done until Sunday night. If you have additional questions, just let me know and I will work with you on this. Also, a few of y'all haven't been sending me what the observation looks like. Take a picture of it. Send it to me an email. You can attach it to a Word file. It doesn't have to be something you've used on an iPad. Just take a picture and send it. Bring the instrument up here to the office. Scan it over in the tech room. We have a scanner that's in there that's connected to the computer. Then email it to me. There's lots of different options that you can use, especially if you can't get up here. Use your phone that you have with you or use a neighbor's. Whatever you can do to get it to me in the right amount of time. If you have other questions, let me know and I'll get back with you.